At $39 on the OnePlus website, the Nordbuds are too good to pass up, especially for OnePlus conformists and commuters who desire quality true wireless performance for less. These buds have a 4-mic array with AI noise reduction, 12.4mm titanium drivers, mobile app compatibility with personalization tools, and proprietary flash charge technology. OnePlus mobile users may receive special software perks, but the solid controls, strong audio performance, and sufficient battery life remain consistent across all platforms. Sound is dynamic and bass heavy at times, but the ability to customize frequencies helps balance things out. The controls work without a hitch, comfort is pleasant, fast charging is clutch for recharging in short-term spans. The noise reduction on calls could be better, but the Nordbuds pros outweigh any cons to make it a must-own for budget-conscious earbud users everywhere. Releases like the Buds Pro and Buds Z2 shows OnePlus is capable of creating some of best wireless earbuds at different price points. The all-new Nordbuds carry the same momentum forward, delivering great multi-platform performance at an incredibly attainable price. These buds have a 4-mic array with AI noise reduction, 12.4mm titanium drivers, Dolby Atmos support, mobile compatibility with personalization tools, and proprietary flash charge technology. And MSRP this low often presents compromises, which in the Nordbuds case are a limited feature set, middling bus response, and weak wind resistance. Flaws aside, the Nordbuds still offer terrific performance and stand out as one of the best cheap wireless earbuds available. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share with your friends and keep watching Best Buy to get your top-notch day-to-day commodities.